Hello and welcome to RCM Tech Talk. I'm John Williamson. I'm joined by Francis Burton. Today we're going to talk more about RCM outsourcing and accountability and how to work together and maintain that level of accountability while working with your revenue cycle partner. Depending on what components of your revenue cycle you've outsourced, this may be a very big set of accountability relationship, or maybe you've only outsourced a subset of your work, maybe aged AR or whatever. So, Francis, you've worked with a lot of practices, some of which have outsourced, some of which have brought stuff back in-house, all these different scenarios. Things aren't always going well. Talk about reporting as a starting point of what you see between the two parties.
Sure. I know that a lot of RCM companies provide standard reports each month across the board, regardless of the client. Custom reports are probably less prevalent, unless it was established early on in your service agreement. But I find that the standard reports are a lot of times a regurgitation of what you can already produce yourself within the system. Like they go into your system and they select the same 3 every month to present to you. What I do not see happening with that is as a collaborative effort to say, what do these reports tell you about us, about your practice internally? Is there something we need to do differently? We need to do better? Or how can you help us? How can we help each other? That I do not see happening. But from a report only standpoint, it is a lot of times just very standardized out of the box data. And it kind of turns into, what do you do with it? That varies from client to client.